Next, we move on to the second customer that we have, Premium Construction Private Limited. This is an overseas customer. Come back to Master Data Tax Entity, click on New, and fill in Premium Construction Private Limited info. TIN and BRN can leave it blank because an overseas company might not have TIN and BRN. TIN depends on country. If you have, you can key it. If you don't have, you can leave it blank. So MSIC code is not necessary for the customer. You can leave it to not applicable. What you need to do is fill in the rest of the information, for example, address, phone and email, postcode NA, city NA, state NA. Of course, country very important. You have to select the country for the customer. Once you have selected the foreign country, we will know this is your foreign customer. It will always use the general TIN to submit the e-invoice, as long as the country is foreign country. After that, click on Save. After you save it, you can go back to Master Data Customer, click the Premium Construction and click on Tax Entity. From the drop-down, choose the correct tax entity for customer. So you can see this customer will be linked to this tax entity. Then you can save it and you are done with foreign company tax entity.